Welcome back to Motoring Reviews, where we bring you the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're looking at a truck that's shaking up the compact pickup scene at the 2025 Ford Maverick. Whether you're a city dweller looking for efficiency or someone who needs utility without the bulk of a full-size truck, the Maverick promises to be the perfect balance. So, let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. But if you're looking for more power and capability, the optional 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine is where it's at. With 250 horsepower and 277 pounds-feet of torque, this turbocharged engine transforms the Maverick into a real workhorse. Pair it with all-wheel drive and the 4K tow package, and you can tow up to 4,000 pounds. That's impressive for a truck of this size. Let's step inside and check out the interior. The Maverick seats 5, and for a compact truck, it offers a surprisingly roomy cabin. Up front, you have comfortable seating with good visibility, and the rear seat offers enough space for passengers or extra storage. And as for tech, every Maverick comes with an 8-inch touchscreen that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, so you'll always stay connected on the go. The higher trims even add features like wireless charging and the premium audio system. Now, let's talk about trims. The 2025 Maverick comes in 3 trims: the XL, XLT, and Lariat. Each trim adds more features and comforts as you go up, with the Lariat being the top-tier option for those who want a more premium experience. And the best part, the Maverick is still incredibly affordable. The base XL trim starts under $25,000, making it one of the most budget-friendly trucks on the market today.